Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful 3D quilling mom and kid showpiece in very easy steps. It's looking super gorgeous. I'm just loving it. And I have added loads of details and I will show you every step in the detailed procedure. Isn't it looking very cute? So you can create it in this Mother's Day. Let's get started. For this we need some 5mm strips, some 3mm strips, pencil, scissor, half cut pearls, quilling tool, acetate sheet or OHP sheet, balloon punch, quilling mold and liquid glue. First I'm starting with making the mom's face. For this, first I'm creating the back side of the face and I'm taking 6 strips of 3mm black color and making one tight coil. Like this. In the same way I have created one more tight coil using peach color 3mm 6 strips. Now I am taking my quilling mold and making dome using these both tight coils. Add glue inside both the domes and connect with each other. So face is ready. Now here I am taking half strip of 3mm peach color and making one ring for the neck. Now I am just adding the face with the neck. Like this. Then I have created these two tight coils for upper body. This tight coil is made using 8 strips of 3mm peach color and this tight coil is made using 8 strips of 5mm green color. Now I am going to shape both the tight coils. So peach one I will not open very much because this is the upper section of body, and the green one I will make a deeper dome because that will be the shirt for mom's dress. Now add glue inside both the domes and connect with each other. Now I have created one more big dome using 12 strips of red color 5mm and it will be for the skirt. So the height of red dome is little larger than the green one. Now I'm going to stick both the domes like this and then connect face on top. Then I am starting with hands. For this I am taking 1.5 strip of green color 5mm and I am making one cone shape. The length of both the hands should be same. Add glue inside the cone and spread it using brush. Now to create lower part of hand, I have created these two cones using 1.5 strip of peach color 3mm. Now I am going to connect like this both the parts. In the same way, adding the other one. Like this. Now to create palm, I am taking 2 strips of peach color 3mm and making one tight teardrop shape. Like this, and I am not going to connect it with the hand right now because after adding the baby on the mom's hand, I will attach it according to my requirement. So add the palm only with one hand. Now I'm starting with the leg. So I have already prepared one cone using 2 strips of 5mm peach color, and to create boot I am taking 1 strip of peach color and creating one tight teardrop shape. This is a 3mm strip. Then I am taking 1 strip of green color 3mm and making one semicircle. Like this. Add little glue and connect with teardrop. Now wrapping this whole thing using green color strip. So the boot is ready. Then to create small bows, I am taking 1/4 strip of red color 3mm, just dividing it from center and creating 2 small teardrops and connecting like a bow with the boot. Like this, very cute. Then I'm just attaching the leg with the boot. So this is done. Now taking back my doll and add little glue on the bottom part of the dome and connecting it with the red color paper. Allow it to dry for some time. So it's dry. Now I'm just cutting the excess paper from bottom and attaching it with the legs. Like this. Then our doll is dried and it will look like this. Here I have added one strip around the neck just to decorate the top little bit. And now I'm starting with how to create hairs. For this I'm taking 1/4 strip of 3mm black color. First make a coil and then open it slowly by rotating your tool. So you will get the curly strip like this. In the same way I have created loads of curly strips and just add glue on the top of the tip of curly strip and adhere these strips with each other like this. So you will get the bunch of hairs. Here I have created this ring using half strip of light green color 3 mm. So first I am connecting the ring on back side, and inside it I will attach the bunch of hairs. Like this. Now I'm starting with the nose and ears. For this I'm taking 1/4 strip of peach color. I have just cut my 3 mm strip from center to create a thin strip. Now I'm making a teardrop shape. In the same way we will get one more ear and a nose. Now taking back the doll and I'm adding all the features like nose, eyes, lips. For eyes I took my 2 mm round hole punch to create eyes using black paper, and for lips I have used red color paper and cut a small triangle shape. So this is done. On the back side of hairs I have added one more strip and added the small bow in the bottom to collect all the hairs in one place. Now I'm attaching one hand like this. Then I am starting with the baby. So I have created these two domes using 4 strips of peach color and 4 strips of black color using 3 mm, and I am going to connect both the domes with each other to create the face of baby. Like this. Here I have created the upper body using 7 strips of pink color 5 mm, and I have just created a small dome shape. Now I am attaching the face with the upper body. Like this. And now I am starting with the hand. So I have already prepared one hand and the cone, which is made using half strip of pink color 5 mm. And this tight teardrop shape using one strip of peach color 3 mm. So I'm just joining the palm with the hand like this, attaching both the hands with the baby. Now for the legs, I have created this cone using one strip of peach color 3 mm, and this dome is made using one strip of peach color 3 mm. So I'm just joining dome with the cone. It will be the leg. And for boot I have used one strip of pink color 3 mm. So I'm just joining boot with the legs. And this is done. Here I have added the small features just like mom, like nose, eyes, ears, and added the small hairband using pink color strip. Looking so cute. Now just add both the legs with each other. Add a drop of glue here and just stick it like this. So it will look like baby is sitting. Now attaching the other hand, and then add little glue on hands and attach the baby like this. Hold it for some time. Now I'm making the balloons. So here I took some balloon punches, adding one strip of acetate sheet in the center, then attaching the other piece of balloon on top of this, and your balloon hanging is ready. You can also create quilled balloons if you wish. In the same way, I have created 2 more balloons using yellow and blue paper. Now I have attached the double-sided tacky tape in the bottom, so I am just attaching all 3 balloons with each other. If you don't have acetate sheet, you can also use toothpick to hang the balloons. So this is done. Now I'm taking back the showpiece. I have attached the palm here after drying everything. So I have added the palm at the end and also created this cute handbag. So I'm attaching the handbag like this, and then I will stick balloons with the mom's hand. Now here I am taking this 7 cm diameter cardboard circle. I have just wrapped it using pink color paper, and now in the border of the circle I am going to attach some half cut pearls. So this is done. Now taking back my showpiece and attaching with the base. Allow it to dry for some time. So the beautiful mom and daughter quilt showpiece is ready. I'm just loving this outcome, and I'm sure your mom will also going to love it very much if you create for them. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.